Hello mga marites ni Chongde.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong, welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about NCT's Taeil. Only here on
Annyeong Chiga Update!
NCT Taeil was summoned by police last June and speculated to have been covered up. A representative of Seoul Bangbae Police Station revealed on August 29th that NCT Taeil was booked for sexual offense in June, and the investigation is ongoing. A day earlier, the police denied the online rumors that the NCT member committed a sexual offense against a minor of the same sex. When the news spread online that Taeil was in fact booked by police in June this year, it led to various speculations that the idol is hiding his crime from his agency, SM Entertainment, while others are saying that SM Entertainment covered up the case for 2 months and allowing the criminal case suspect to promote during NCT 127's comeback. That's it mga kaanyo. What can you say about this? Comment your thoughts below.